Hello student, today we will start example of exercise 8.2 chapter 8 comparing quantities. Example number 2. The price of a scooter was rupees 34,000 last year. It has increased by 20%. What is price now? Price of scooter last year. Increased price in percentage 20%. In price 20% of 34,000. By rupees 6,800. Now price is 40,800 rupees. Example number 3. An item marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. What is discount and discount percent? Mark price of an item rupees 840. Selling price 714. Discount MP minus SP. We have rupees 126. Discount percent, apply formula. Discount by MP into 100%. Putting. Now solving. We have 15%. Next is example number 4. The least price of a frock is rupees 220. A discount of rupees 20% is announced on sale. What is the amount of discount on it and sale price? List price and mark price both are same things. Discount 20%. SP of frock, apply formula. Putting the values. Solving. Rupees 176. Discount in rupees. MP minus SP. Rupees 44. Next example number 5. Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator for rupees 2,500. Spent 500 on its repair. Sold it at rupees 3,300. Find his gain or loss percent. CP of refrigerator. Overhead charges. Total CP. SP of refrigerator. Profit. SP minus CP. That is of rupees 300. Now profit percent. profit in rupees by cost price into 100%, that is 10% answer. Next question, example number 6. A shopkeeper purchased 2 hand bulbs for rupees 10 each. However, 5 bulbs were fused, had to be thrown away. The remaining were sold at rupees 12 each. Find the gain or loss percent. Cost price of bulbs 2000 rupees. Bulb fused 5. Remaining bulb 200 minus 5 195. Then selling price of 195 bulbs, 195 into 12, because selling price of one bulb is rupees 12. After multiplication we have 2340. Here SP is greater than CP, that's why profit. Apply formula SP minus CP. Profit of rupees 340. Profit percentage, profit in rupees by CP into 100%. Putting the values, cost price 2000 into 100%. Cancel 20 from 20, 0 from 0, 2 17s are 34. Profit is 17%. Next example number 7. Meena bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. She sold one at a loss, another at a profit. Find the selling price of each and also find the total profit or loss. Its solution: cost price of fan 1200, loss 5%, SP of fan. Apply formula, put the values, solving we have rupees 1140. CP of another fan same, profit 10%, SP of fan CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100. Solving, after multiplication we have rupees 1320. Total SP rupees 2460. Total CP 2400. So profit of rupees 60. Now profit percent, that is profit by CP into 100%. We have 5/2%, but we have to find only in rupees, that is 60. Next is example number 8. The cost of pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450 and the sale tax charge was 5%. Find the bill amount. Cost of roller skates, pair of. Sale tax charge 5%. In rupees, 5% of 450, 22.5. Now bill amount. $450 plus 22.5. We have rupees 472.50. Example 9. Wahida bought a air cooler for rupees 3300, including a tax of 10%. Find the price of the air cooler before VAT was added. With VAT, if cost price 110, then without VAT price of air cooler is rupees 100. We will add this percent into 100, that's why it becomes 110. With VAT, if price is 1, then without VAT the price is 100 by 110. With VAT, if price is 3300, then without VAT is rupees 3000 after solving. Next, sum number 10. Salim bought an article for rupees 784, which including GST of 12%. What is the price of article before GST was added? Same as example number 9. With GST, price is 112. Then without GST, price of article is rupees 100. With GST, if price is 1, then without GST, price of article is 100 by 112. With GST, if price is 784, then without GST, price of an article is rupees 700. Thank you. Keep smiling, everyone.